Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. So this one divide by this one, we have number 1. Next, so we need to multiply by the square root of s plus 1 minus the square root of s minus 1 on numerator and denominator. Next, this one if we simplify it, and we have like this. So s minus s we cancel 1 minus negative number 1, we have number 2. And now this one we change by s plus 1 to the power of 1 over 2. And the second one, that is about s minus 1, everything to the power of 1 over 2. And now we have like this. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2. S plus 1 to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over coefficient of s, that is about number 1. So we put this one in here and we have 1 over 2 plus 1. And the second one, that is about s minus number 1 to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over number 1 multiplied by 1 over 2 plus 1. And the second one, the integration of number 1, we have s and I will put about c. So this one in here, that is about 3 over 2. This one in here, that is about 3 over 2. This one, that is about 3 over 2. And this one, that is about 3 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.